Hi traders, I'll be now uploading pocket option videos once every week on this channel. I know many of you prefer pocket option over Quotex, so this video is especially for those who wants to trade in pocket option. And today I'm revealing one of the easiest and most effective strategies you can use in pocket option. The best part is this strategy can also work in almost all binary trading platform. So I highly recommend you to watch this video until the very end, because I'll also be sharing some important tips that can help you avoid unnecessary losses. The strategy I'm about to share is based on color patterns. I've already shared this strategy in one of my Quotex videos, but this is working perfectly on pocket option as well. The concept is very simple. Whenever you see 4 to 5 strong red candles moving in a seller's loop, and in between those red candles, you spot a small weak green candle that is not as strong as compared to the previous red candles, that becomes a continuation signal. At that moment, you have to take put entries, just how I am doing it right now. We have got 4 red candles back to back, and in between the seller's loop I got a small tiny green candle which is not as strong as compared to the previous red candle. That's why I've taken a continuation trade on the same direction for a put entry. This is one of the easiest strategy you can use while trading binary option, and the best part is it works in almost every platform which I've already mentioned. As you can see, I've already taken 5 trades using this setup, and all of them are going in my favor. This concept is extremely simple, but at the same time it's very powerful when used with proper patience and market understanding. I will also explain you with a screenshot so that it'll be very easy for you to understand. So first, let me win this trade, and after closing this candle, I'm going to explain you with a screenshot. So whenever the market is in a seller's loop or buyer's loop, whatever the case is, we are going to take a continuation trade. For example, here we are in a seller's loop, market is going down, printing back to back red candles. So we have got 4 red candles, and in between that red candles we have got a small tiny green candle which is not as strong as the previous red candle. So we are going to take a continuation trade to the downside direction. But remember, the candle should be in between the loop, not on top. For example, here you see we have got back to back green candle, but one small red candle is at the top of the market. This is not continuation, but it's a reversal. So market has not printed another green candle, however the market is now reversing. So that will create a strong resistance. The candle should be in between the loop. Okay, so let's find some high probability trade setup. We are looking for continuation trade, so we need back to back red or green candle, and in between that loop we need opposite group candle. So let's hunt for that perfect setup, and I'll give you one more example so that it'll be very easy for you to understand. For example, here we've got back to back red candle. If this current candle closes as a green one, I will be taking my put entry. Let's see how this candle closes, but this is not closing as a green one. This is turning into a red one. If this candle turns into a red one, we will not be placing our continuation trade, because market can reverse at that point. And this candle is not a green candle. I need a small tiny weak green candle in between a seller's loop, and this is not the one. So I will look for another trade opportunity. Let's wait some time. This is not closing as a green candle, guys. This is a red candle, so I have to skip this. Let's see what this chart is doing. We've got 4 back-to-back green candle, and if this candle closes as a red one, in fact this is almost at top of the chart, but let's see how this candle closes. If this candle closes as a red one and it closes as a red one inside the previous green candle, we can take same direction trade to the upside, because that would be a valid pattern for me. Okay, if you see market is boosting in upward direction, we have got 1 2 3 4 5 green candles, a healthy green candles in fact. So let's see how this red candle closes. If this candle closes inside the body of the previous green candle, I will be taking back-to-back call entry for continuation trade. And let's see we need this candle to close, and exactly this candle is doing same. It is closed inside the green candle, and the next candle did gap up opening, that is showing bullish pressure. So I'm going to place my marginal safety trades as well. For that extra layer of security, I've taken back-to-back call entry because I'm 100% sure that this candle is definitely going to be a green one. Let's wait and see how this candle closes. According to my analysis, this should close as a green hammer, because you see market has printed a lot of green candles and a small red candle that has closed inside the body and the wick of the previous green candle. This is the pattern we need to take high quality trade. And just as I anticipated, this candle is turning into a green one. And when the candle did gap up, immediately I understood that the market has bullish pressure going on. And I also have taken my marginal safety entry, and all of my trades are win. Alright traders, I hope you understood how to take high probability trades using this setup. This concept is very simple. We look for 3 to 4 strong green candles or 3 to 4 strong red candles, and in between them, if an opposite wick candle appears, we use that as a continuation signal to take trades on the original direction. I highly recommend you all to practice this in your demo account first and see the result yourself. And if you are not yet in my Telegram channel, the link is provided in the description box below. I'll be back again with another powerful video. Until then, happy trading.